India's pursuit of strategic autonomy in air defense has entered a transformative phase with Project Kush, a cutting-edge, long-range air defense initiative led by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO). Designed as a multi-tiered surface-to-air missile system, Project Kush aims to protect Indian airspace from emerging and sophisticated aerial threats such as stealth aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, hypersonic weapons, and ballistic threats. With a projected cost of Rs 21,700 crore and expected induction between 2028 and 2030, Project Kush is set to become a cornerstone of India's layered air defense architecture, reducing dependence on imported systems while boosting indigenous capability. What is Project Kush? Project Kush, also referred to as the Extended Range Air Defense System or Precision Guided Long Range Surface Air Missile, is a long range SAM program developed to complement and eventually extend beyond India's current air defense systems. The system is designed to detect, track, and neutralize a wide spectrum of aerial threats from fighter jets and drones to cruise missiles. Deploy three variants of interceptor missiles M1, M2, M3 with increasing ranges. Integrate with India's Integrated Air Command and Control System IACCS for network-centric air defense. Why Project Kush is a game changer in India's air defense strategy. Project Kush marks a transformational shift in India's air defense capability by introducing an indigenous long-range interception system comparable to global standards. It strengthens strategic autonomy while enhancing India's ability to counter next-generation aerial threats. Strategic autonomy and self-reliance. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO), Project Kush reduces India's dependence on foreign systems and aligns with the Atmanirbhar Bharat defense vision. Multi-tier long-range protection. With interceptor variants ranging from 150 km to 400 km, it creates a layered defensive shield capable of engaging threats at multiple distances and altitudes, counter to advanced and hypersonic threats. The system is designed to detect and neutralize stealth aircraft, cruise missiles, UAV swarms, and potential hypersonic weapons, enhancing India's deterrence capability. Seamless integration with National Defense Grid. Project Kush will integrate with India's Integrated Air Command and Control System (IACCS), enabling real-time network-centric warfare and coordinated air defense operations. Interceptor variants under Project Kush. Project Kush is built on a three-layer interceptor architecture designed to neutralize threats at varying ranges, altitude, and speeds. Project Kush versus S-400. Project Kush represents India's push toward indigenous long-range air defense capability, while the S-400 is a proven Russian system currently deployed by India. While both systems offer extended interception ranges, Project Kush focuses on strategic autonomy and future scalability within India's integrated defense grid.